Come on. Here we go.
Wala akong chigot, 5110 lang ang cellphone ko.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Ay, sarap lang ang kinain ko kanina. Pero ayos lang. Kasi masaya ako pag nakikita kita.
Yeah.
Masaya ako pag nakikita kita. Nag-pink ang pisngi ko.
Ayan. Ayan. Baka may gusto kong pasalamatan.
I want to thank the KKB audience. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Sobrang masaya ako na kayo yung kadam ko today. At namin dito sa Thames. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Sir Junj. Thank
Ay,
you so
nako.
much.
Yes.
Thank you sa lahat ng Team's crews. This is my fourth album. And may laman po ito na 10 kanta, so I really hope na makakuha po kayo. This is a first live album ko po.
Yeah.
And this album goes to you.
Oh, wow. Thank you for gracing us. And of course, hindi matatapos kung hindi mo kakantahin muna yung ating yung theme song natin. Pero bagong lahat, gusto ko munang pasalamatan ang mga taong nanonood at meron tayong Facebook. This is my story, this is my song na pwede paki-like lang po at kung may suggestion kayo na kanta o guest, pwede nyo pong i-suggest. Huwag na po mahirap kunin. Kunyari Michael Jackson, hindi na po natin makukuha. Kahit anong subok, hindi natin makukuha yun. May Twitter din daw po ako, sabi nila meron, Junji Marcelo. Yan, okay? Dagdagan nyo po yung tatatlong follower ko. So, pwede na tayo. At mga many thanks to, of course, FMCC, 3 Stars and the Sun! Yeah! Yeah! Good news, apparel. Yeah. And of course, ito na ang ating theme song. This is my song, this is my song. Ken Constantino version. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you, everyone! God bless you all. Team, yo!